Welcome to another video by I Buy Diabetic Supply. This video will go over everything you need to know about Wegovy insulin inhaler. 1. How does Wegovy insulin work? Wegovy insulin, also known as semaglutide, is a medication that works by increasing the release of insulin from the pancreas and decreasing the amount of glucose released by the liver. This helps to lower blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. 2. What are the side effects of Wegovy insulin? Common side effects of Wegovy insulin include nausea, diarrhea, vomiting, constipation, and stomach pain. Other possible side effects include headaches, dizziness, and fatigue. Rare but serious side effects may include allergic reactions, pancreatitis, and kidney damage. 3. How often do I need to take Wegovy insulin? Typically, Wegovy insulin is taken once a week by injection, usually at the same time each week. The medication comes in pre-filled injection pens that are designed for a single use. Your healthcare provider will prescribe the appropriate dosage for you based on factors such as your age, weight, kidney function, and other medications you may be taking. 4. Will I need to adjust my dosage of other diabetes medications while taking Wegovy insulin? If you are taking other diabetes medications in addition to Wegovy insulin, your healthcare provider may adjust your dosage or frequency of administration based on your individual medical history and response to the medication. In some cases, it may be necessary to adjust the dosage of other medications to avoid side effects or complications. It is important to follow your healthcare provider's instructions regarding medication use and dosage. 5. Can Wegovy insulin help me lose weight? Yes, Wegovy insulin has been shown to help some people with type 2 diabetes lose weight. However, it is important to note that weight loss may vary, and the medication should not be used as a substitute for a healthy diet and exercise. 6. How long does it take for Wegovy insulin to start working? Wegovy insulin typically starts to work within a few hours of the first dose, but it may take several weeks to see the full effect. 7. How does Wegovy insulin compare to other diabetes medications? Wegovy insulin is a newer medication that has been shown to be effective in lowering blood sugar levels and promoting weight loss. It may be an option for people who have not had success with other diabetes medications or who are looking for a medication that may help them lose weight. 8. What is the cost of Wegovy insulin, and will my insurance cover it? The cost of Wegovy insulin can vary depending on your insurance coverage and the pharmacy where you fill your prescription. It is important to check with your insurance provider and pharmacy to determine the cost and coverage. 9. Can I take Wegovy insulin if I am pregnant or breastfeeding? It is not recommended to take Wegovy insulin if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Talk to your healthcare provider about other options that may be safe and effective for you. 10. How do I store Wegovy insulin, and what do I do if I miss a dose? Wegovy insulin should be stored in a refrigerator and protected from light. If you miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it is close to the time for your next dose, skip the missed dose and continue with your regular dosing schedule. Do not take a double dose to make up for a missed dose. Thanks for watching. I buy diabeticsupply.com.